Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite DIY hair growth treatments and why. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Okay, so one of my favorite DIY treatments that I've tried is the rice water treatment. If you guys have never tried rice water, please go try it out. I've been talking about it for years and it's always done such an amazing job at helping the health of my hair. And I use black rice water, and I recently did a video on black rice water and how I make my black rice water conditioner. So you guys should definitely go check that out. But rice and water and the origin of it is just so interesting, and how this tribe of women only use rice water to grow out their hair, and it's like super long, like past their legs. It's so crazy. So once I started doing rice water and trying out the treatment, I was just amazed at how it repaired my hair, because my hair was a little bit damaged. And once I started using rice water, I feel as if it kind of helped to reverse the damage, and it also helped to grow my hair. So the hype around rice water is definitely real. It definitely works, but it's something that you don't want to use too often. I had to learn that the hard way. You don't want to use rice water too much. It's a protein treatment. It's a very intense protein treatment. And when you are doing protein treatments, you want to make sure that you have a balance between the protein and the moisture. And I'll put some videos down below in the description box that you can check out to make sure that you are having a successful moisture protein balance. So the next DIY treatment that I absolutely love is the coffee water treatment. And I'm a coffee girl. Like, I used to hate coffee, but I love coffee now and I drink it all the time. So whenever I have like a little bit extra coffee left over, I will make the coffee water treatment. And it's amazing. Like, it smells amazing. It really helps to stimulate the hair follicles. So when you are doing the coffee treatment, you want to make sure that you are focusing on your roots and just rubbing that into your scalp. And this is another treatment that you don't want to do too frequently. I only do it like once a month, and I can immediately see a difference whenever I do that treatment. I'm like in awe of how healthy my curls look. I just really see a difference. It helps with hair loss. So if you are a person struggling with hair loss, you definitely should try it out. Like, if you're an aging person and you are seeing like a lot of gray hair, it can help with that as well. So the thinning, the gray hair loss, coffee water will definitely help you. And if you want your hair to be a lot thicker, the coffee water can help you with that as well. Next DIY treatment is incorporating Chebe into any of my deep conditioning treatments. So I'm a DIY girl. I basically deep condition my hair with all DIY treatments. There's a few times that I'll use like some treatments from the store, but most of the time I like to whip stuff up and look like an evil genius scientist with my DIY treatments. So I always incorporate the Chebe powder into my treatments. It is a historical African growth secret treatment, and yeah, like ever since I started doing it, I was very impressed with how soft it makes my hair. It makes the texture a lot shiny, a lot healthy. Just go watch some of my Chebe treatment videos and you will see the difference in my hair, because my hair can be very dry sometimes, but the Chebe powder definitely helps with that. And you want to make sure that you are getting authentic Chebe powder. The only Chebe powder is the ones that I use in my videos. There has been like people promoting their Chebe powder with like my face and my videos on Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that, but that's not me. Like, I never use their products. So just be careful about what you buy and where you buy it from. I will put the link down below to the Chebe powder that I use in the description box. So you can use that, but don't just buy anybody's Chebe powder because it could be dirt from the ground or something. So just be careful. The next DIY treatment that I want to talk about is the egg treatment DIY. And this is like an old school type of treatment, incorporating some type of egg into your deep conditioning treatments. And it always just does wonders for my hair. I definitely see a difference. It's another intense protein treatment, so be careful with that. But yeah, incorporating egg into your treatments can definitely make your DIY just pop. Last but definitely not least is my hair growth oil, the Miriam Hampton hair growth oil. I always incorporate my hair growth oil into any one of my deep conditioning treatments because that stuff is powerful. I made sure that I have the most potent oils, the most beneficial oils for hair growth. The mixture has been proven time after time after time to help people to grow their hair back if they are losing hair and to make their hair a lot thicker. So you guys can follow us on Instagram at MH Hair Growth to see any of the before and after pics, as well as, you know, any testimonies that you may have. And just try out the oil yourself and you will definitely see a difference. You can purchase it at Miriam J. Hampton. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.